Welcome, everyone. Today, we are going to explore how outdoor blinds can transform your outdoor area into a private and secluded oasis. Imagine enjoying your morning coffee or reading a book in a peaceful and private outdoor space. That's the magic of outdoor blinds. With a variety of styles and materials available, you can customize your outdoor blinds to suit your preferences and create the perfect secluded retreat. Whether you're looking to block out nosy neighbors or create a cozy spot for relaxation, outdoor blinds offer both functionality and style. By strategically placing outdoor blinds around your patio or deck, you can effectively create a private sanctuary where you can unwind and recharge. Additionally, outdoor blinds can provide protection from the elements, allowing you to enjoy your outdoor space in comfort regardless of the weather. So, if you're looking to enhance the privacy and seclusion of your outdoor area, consider incorporating outdoor blinds into your design. Thank you for joining us today, as we discovered the transformative power of outdoor blinds in creating secluded and private outdoor spaces. Until next time, take care and enjoy your outdoor oasis.